Pride before. This is the first time. I honestly had like nothing rainbow to wear because I like planned this last minute. So I'm wearing like a strawberry sweater and I like tried to paint. This one's rainbow. This one was supposed to be the lesbian flag colors, but I lost my white. I literally painted the background of these white and I somehow lost my white. So it like doesn't look exactly the same. Also, I just spent like an hour trying to find parking and I finally am in a parking garage. And also while I was trying to find parking, I swear to God, I saw Isabella from The Circle season 3. Like I was like 99% sure it was her. If I wasn't in a car, I would have rolled down my like window and been like, are you from The Circle? But she was on the street and I was in my car, so I was like, that would be too weird.
Probably shouldn't tell you this, but fuck it. Here's my confession.
Hello, I'm back from Pride. If you do want to go to Pride alone, I feel like it's fine because a lot of this stuff is just like booths. So I feel like you can still have fun alone. It's kind of like a farmer's market for a lot of parts of it. And there's just a parade that you can like sit and watch. I just took off my sweater because it's super hot. It's Orlando. So I'm sweating. Some girls come up to me and told me that they like my sweater though. And I tripped while they were telling me it. So yeah. Oh, I also rode a little swan around. The Orlando Pride has like this lake and it has little swan things they can ride around. So that was cool. I picked off all my nail polish because that's what I do. Yeah, now I'm probably gonna go to lunch and go home.
Okay, so this is going to be my review of the Carolinas because I went on vacation to there. So it was very pretty, both of them. I think I like North Carolina a lot better because South Carolina was like super like weirdly conservative. Like every single store just had like a bunch of conservative stuff. So I definitely prefer North Carolina because I didn't really see any of that in North Carolina. So that is my review of the Carolinas.
I feel like I look literally dirty right now, but I'm gonna be doing a Lush haul because I love Lush. I only got 2 things, but they're very cute. I've got their spooky stuff because it's Halloween season, so I wanted to get the Halloween stuff. This one is a little pumpkin bath bomb, and this one is a little ghost bath bomb. Okay, that is the end of my video. Thank you for watching my vlog. I have like a bunch of other videos if you want those. So, goodbye!